Hello and welcome back to Cricket TV. We are back with another episode of Great Insights. I'm Hetvi Patel. Joining me is Nikhil Morsawala and Narayan Pasari. They are here with their unbiased opinions or not. Nikhil Morsawala supports MI, has severe harsh comments for Rajasthan Royals maybe after yesterday's match. We'll get into the details.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes and no, yes
Yes.
and no. But go
Yes,
ahead and introduce Narayan.
Yes, and Narayan sir, with his very statistical, very unbiased opinion, like always, he's on point. He has his stats with him. He has a paper printed with him. I just saw it in yesterday's video. And let's see what he has to say about yesterday's match. Sir.
Yesterday, myself and Nikhil, we made certain comments on the recording, and it went out. I had put 80 for RCB and 20 chances for. और एक बार मेरे को लगा मेरा तो चांस गया आज,
I think
But
18th
RR
over
will never
तक.
disappoint you.
हाँ.
Only the fans.
If you
Hmm.
see yesterday, the same thing continued. Salt started playing, Kohli continued, Padikkal continued, and then Jitesh also gave a quickie of 20, 10 balls. So अगर मैं कल देख रहा था तो आप देखोगे तो आरसीबी ने 18 चौके मारे और
Okay.
सामने आरआर ने 17 चौके मारे. लेकिन when you see the sixes, there were only 6 sixes for RCB and 12 for RR.
And they still managed to lose.
So as up to 162 before Hetmeyer got out. If you see the score, they had required only 44 runs in 21 balls. 16.3 पे हेटमायर आउट हुआ था, करेक्ट. और ऐसे गेमों में और ऐसी बैटिंग स्ट्रेंथ वगैरह में इट इज 44 एंड 21 बॉल्स इज हार्डली एनीथिंग. दो तीन चार छक्के लग गए तो काम हो जाता है उसके अंदर. एंड ओनली द 19th ओवर इज अ क्रश ओवर देखा जाए तो. बाकी में तो अच्छा स्कोरिंग होता है. बट आई डोंट नो. अच्छा, उसके बाद में भी आगे चले तो जुरेल था. जुरेल गॉट आउट एट 189, करेक्ट. एंड ही वाज द
Yes.
6% टू गेट आउट. उस टाइम भी 16 रन थे खाली जीतने के. तो आई स्टिल थॉट कि बॉस इसके बाद में भी हो सकता है. देयर वाज अ डुबे, आर्चर, कोई भी उठा के मार सकता है. बट समहाउ 189 फॉर 6, 189 फॉर 7, 189 फॉर 9 और 8 चलता ही गया. So, as Nikhil mentioned, okay, now we should change the name of Rajasthan Royals to Rajasthan Chokers, actually.
Great
I
name.
mean, there is honestly no other word to
Yes,
describe them. And I think the match was lost, Narayan, not in the 1920th over. मैच आपका छठे ओवर में खत्म हो गया था. जो
yes,
आपने
yes.
कल एक बहुत बढ़िया कमेंट किया था यशस्वी जायसवाल के बारे में कि ही गेट्स अ
हाँ,
ब्रश ऑफ ब्लड, कि वो कभी
correct.
कभी जब उसको शॉट नहीं खेलना चाहिए तब खेलते हैं.
हाँ,
कल
हाँ,
आप छठा ओवर देखिए.
correct.
5.1, नो
Yes,
रन्स. Okay,
correct,
Hazelwood is bowling to Jaiswal. 5.2,
correct,
4. 5.3,
correct,
4.
correct. Yeah,
5.5,
yeah.
5.4, 6. यानी 4,
Six.
4, 6. Now you know
Yeah.
you've done
Correct.
your 14 हो गया.
Yeah,
Now the
yeah.
next ball, he should have
हाँ,
played on merit. But
correct,
he's still in that flow. He still wants to do another 6. Why?
correct, correct,
You're
correct,
already on 72 for 1. You're in the
correct.
sixth over. You're on 72
Yeah.
for 1. Your average is 12.
Yes,
And
yes.
you have the whole 14 overs to go. I mean, and
Correct,
and
correct,
and
correct.
nothing to worry about. So I think that
Yes, yes,
you lost the game there because
yes,
your
yes.
fastest scorer, your most inspirational scorer, it's a
Mm.
stupid shot of an ordinary ball. And Hazelwood changed from over the wicket to round the wicket. Now that's a signal for
Correct,
the batsman, right? The batsman has to
correct,
know why is the bowler changing his action. If the bowler is
correct.
changing his action, वो कुछ नया सोच रहा है, वो कुछ नया करने वाला है, तो आपको भी कुछ
Correct.
नया करना है ना. तो ये
True.
बस उसने यही
Yes, yes.
जैसे पहले बॉल मारा था वैसे मारने गए और आउट हो गए. तो मेरे ख्याल से ये जो एक लैक ऑफ टेम्परामेंट
Experience.
कहिए, डिसिप्लिन कहिए, एक इंसाइट कहिए, इसमें इसमें है ना राजस्थान यहीं पे मार खा जाती है. और मुझे लगता है ये उनको बहुत ही जरूरी है कि दे हैव दिस टीम मीटिंग, दिस डिस्कशन दैट यू कैन नॉट प्ले लाइक दिस. As I told you, Rohit Sharma's job was not to make 19 out of 11. He has to make 60, 70, 80. Similarly for
Correct.
Jaiswal, when he's there, His job is not to make 40 in the first 6 overs. He has to stay there for 12 overs, make that
Yes.
70, 80. That's his job. देखिए मैंने बना लिया 49, 5 ओवर में मेरा काम हो गया. No, your job is to stay for 10 overs. I think you lost the match there.
और
Definitely.
अगर आप देखो ना 49 में से 46 रन उसके चौके छक्के में,
Absolutely.
19 बॉल लिए उसने, है ना, बेसिकली देखा जाए. प्लस मेरे को ऐसा भी लगा कि रियान पराग बीइंग अ कैप्टन, है ना, ऑलरेडी स्कोर्ड से 22 रन्स इन 10 बॉल्स हो चुका था उसका, 2 चौके मार चुका था. एज अ लीडर ऑफ द टीम ही शुड हैव स्टक दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. और
Absolutely.
ऐसा नहीं था कि कोई
Absolutely.
बहुत बढ़िया बॉल से आउट हुआ है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि भाई बहुत बढ़िया बॉल से आउट. अभी जैसे हेटमायर है, हेटमायर को एक बॉल उसका एक निक लग गया तो पीछे हो गया, और he left the ground. That was the spirit of it. He did not ask for any, stay for over there. लेकिन अगर आप उसका रियान बीइंग अ कैप्टन, उसके बाद उसने क्या किया, 3 ओवर बॉलिंग भी करी, 30 रन भी दिए उधर.
Yes.
तो ये एक कैप्टनशिप का वक्र. आप देखो उसमें, देखो एक संदीप शर्मा को 4 ओवर दिए, 45 रन मारे. ही इज अ गुड बॉलर. तो किसके सामने खेल रहा है, कैसे खेल रहा है, कैसे वर्किंग करनी चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए. एक वो फारूकी को लेके आए कल, उसको भी 3 ओवर में 30 के. सो क्या होता है व्हेन अभी ना, देशपांडे इज द बिगेस्ट डिसअपॉइंटमेंट फॉर आरसीबी, फॉर
RR.
अपना.
Yeah.
ऐसा कर रहे हो
Yeah.
आरआर. तो ये समझ में नहीं पा रहा है मेरे को कि ये लोग कर क्या रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं. और जबकि इनका कोच ड्रेविड साहब है,
Yes.
द मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड मिस्टर ड्रेविड.
Yes.
तो जैसे ही शुड,
even then, what you mentioned about at 16th over where they were, 17th over where they were, you would not expect that team to lose from that perspective, from that point of view. जब आपको 10 ओवर में 16 रन करने हैं, अब 189 पे कुछ था, तभी आपको 16 रन करना था, right? And Hetmeyer was still playing over that other gentleman. Jurel was still playing, right? Now, if at that point of time, 16 of 10 is not a big deal. I mean, 16 is 6, 6 and 4. I mean, it's not,
yeah,
it's not, if you translate it into shots, it's 3 shots, right?
Yes.
6, 4,
correct,
4 boundaries, and it was not a big deal at all. But then the whole procession started. They started going back to the pavilion, and not against some fantastic, super duper bowling or something. It was normal Hazelwood and normal bowling that was happening, and it was just
correct.
poor shot selection, poor temperament, not playing to the situation. And I think RR needs to really figure out, are they there to win, or are they there to make other people win? So I think that sort of a thinking has to emerge, that we cannot play like this, irrespective of who your captain is, irrespective of who you are. You cannot play like that. It's just criminal, according to me.
Hello, if
Definitely.
you remember, we were discussing about बुमराह,
Yeah.
उनके बॉलिंग के स्ट्रेंथ में प्रॉब्लम है. अभी आप
Yeah.
यू कंपेयर दैट अगेन टू भुवी नाउ. भुवी को भी कल 4 ओवर में 50 रन ठोके, एक विकेट
50
मिला.
runs.
ही इज नॉट दैट भुवी विच वी हैव सीन ओवर द इयर्स.
Yes,
तो
yes,
आरसीबी
you're
के
right.
लिए भी ऑल्सो इट इज ए ओपनर. दे शुड नाउ थिंक मोर कि क्या करना है. अगर कोई आदमी
Yeah.
तो यू ट्राई समबडी एल्स, क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार.
Yes,
इट इज
yes,
नॉट
yes,
दैट
absolutely.
नोबडी इज परमानेंट एनीवेयर.
You have to change your tactics depending on the form of the player. And I think you cannot rest on the laurels of the player like sometimes we do
यस,
with Rohit Sharma. कि भाई नहीं खेलना तो खेलते जाइए, खेलते जाइए, खेलते जाइए, एक बार तो खेलेगा. और ठीक है, रोहित का
हाँ,
एक जायंट फिगर है तो चलता है, लेकिन विद एवरेज प्लेयर्स यू कांट डू दैट. You
yeah,
see Sandeep Sharma not performing last few matches.
yes,
You have to then make changes. You look at
yes, yes, yes,
भुवनेश्वर कुमार, ही इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग. यू हैव टू
yes,
जस्ट टेक एक्शन एंड से बॉस बैठ जाओ बेंच पे एक मैच के लिए, और किसी और को खेलने का मौका दीजिए. आपके पास 20 लोग हैं, वट एवर 18 पीपल आर देयर इन योर टीम. Bring out the youngsters and see what they can do. And now Suryavanshi did play well yesterday. He did his job. So 16 रन करके गए, 10 ओवर में थोड़ा सा मोमेंटम लाए, 2 6 मारा, उनका काम हो गया था. और उनका काम, उसको आप प्रोत्साहन दीजिए, जरूर दीजिए आप. लेकिन जब आप यशस्वी जायसवाल हो, जब आप रियान पराग हो, तब आप मेच्योर प्लेयर्स है, इवॉल्व प्लेयर्स है, आपका जॉब है इनको इंस्पायर करना, इनको दिखाना कि मैं क्रिकेट कैसे खेला जाता है. और क्रिकेट खेला जाता है संयम से, चतुराई से, न कि सिर्फ बल और बलजुबरी से. बल बल तो सब में होता है ना, जोश सब में होता है, होश किसके पास है. और जोश और होश का जो कॉम्बिनेशन होना चाहिए ना, होश का कॉम्बिनेशन कभी कभी गायब हो जाता है. और ये यशस्वी जायसवाल जैसे लोग होश खो बैठते हैं, रियान पराग जैसे लोग होश खो बैठते हैं, सिर्फ जोश में आ जाते हैं, और वो जोश में सारी खिचड़ी जो पकती है वो खराब हो जाती है. तो मुझे लगता है RR नीड्स टू seriously look, RCB के लिए अच्छा है. I think they're right, sitting right on top probably. I don't see now any reason why they should not be the top four. They just need two more wins out of the balance. I think
I
six
think
matches they have.
आज की आप दोनों के कमेंट्स में द वे यू हैव रिमांडेड आर प्लेयर्स, it doesn't look like RCB won out of merit. It looks more like कि RR lost on, you know, playing.
It's a very valid point you make, Hitvi. Uh, are you with us? Because your
Yes,
image is
yes,
frozen,
I'm with you.
Hitvi.
Yes.
So you make a very good point, Hitvi, that did RCB win the match on its merit, or did RR they win because RR did not play well? And the point to note here is that both the captains said that this was actually a 215-220 pitch. They made 205. Yeah, they were 10-15 runs short. Remember that? They were
Correct.
10,
Yes,
15
yes.
runs short. And then
Correct.
they
Correct.
won. So what does that show? And their bowlers were not at the top of their mark, and they were bowling fantastically well. Hazelwood got the wickets because of some stupid shot selection. I don't think that he bowled a ball that was unplayable, and therefore the batsman just couldn't do anything. It popped up on him, and he had to fend it, and he had to get out. He had no choice. It was a tiny. It was his wrong shot selection for all the four wickets that he took. And I think
Yes.
it's important that RCB must realize this, that going forward, you're not going to be playing RRs of the world. You're going to play the PBKSs of the world, the DCs of the world, who are not playing like that. They're on the top of the game. So I think RCB needs to be very clear that that battle is going on. War is not over. They won one battle. The war is still there to be fought. And I think they also need to pull up their socks. They didn't do their job. They should have gone to 220 and they did not.
Yes.
But as Hazelwood got two important wickets of Zurel and of Jaiswal, both actually.
But that's what
But I think
wrong shot
और
selection
बाद में
from.
नीचे वाले बॉटम वाले को दो का विकेट
yeah,
लिया
but
उन्होंने.
but Krunal also got, I think, Nitish Rana, and he got Krunal got the other, I think, Riyan Parag, if I'm not mistaken. So Krunal got two breakthroughs of
Yeah.
two batsmen who could have changed the course of the match.
Game, yeah.
And so, that those two in the middle of the innings, when a spinner comes in and does that, it becomes easier for the pacer later on, because then there's so much pressure on the later batsman that in ordinary ball becomes the wicket taking ball. So I think those two wickets should not be ignored. I think Krunal did his job, what he had to do.
नहीं, प्लस आप देखोगे ना, तो जो 9, 10, 11 बैट्समैन होते हैं, बैटर्स होते हैं, यूजुअली दे आर बॉलर्स, करेक्ट. बट
Yes.
उसमें से भी दे आर यूजुअली पिंच
Hitters.
हिटर्स,
Yeah,
करेक्ट ना.
like Jofra Archer is
Point
one.
of Nikhil is very valid. 16 run is hardly anything in
Nothing.
11 और 9 balls. वो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता था कभी भी. छक्का छक्के आप देखो ना, कई मैचेस में हुआ है, ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. सो somehow the other कुछ माइंडसेट है, क्या है, व्हाई इट इज.
Exactly.
तीसरी बार हो रहा है. हाँ,
Exactly.
एक बार 2 रन के
Exactly.
कारण, एक बार 9 के कारण, और अभी ये लास्ट के अंदर एकदम बाय जस्ट.
You should have been in the top four now, and not in the bottom
Yes.
three. Had you won those matches, and I think see what that एक जो छोटी सी गलती जब होती है ना, जो जायसवाल की हुई, उसकी वजह से आज 2 पॉइंट गए, कल 2 पॉइंट गए. उसके पहले जो 2 रन की वजह से हार गए, हिटमैर की जो गलती हुई, उससे 2 पॉइंट चले गए. 4 पॉइंट आज आप पे बैग में होते, न कि सिर्फ 4 पॉइंट के 8 हो जाते. तो वो जो छोटी छोटी गलतियां हैं, इसमें ये जो अच्छी में है, उनका जो हालत हो रही है. सेम गोज फॉर SRH. I mean, I hope we'll come back to today's match later. But I think a very mediocre performance. RR didn't deserve to win at all. RCB is on a momentum, on a roll. Good for Virat. I think और पहली बार जीते अपने होम क्राउड में, होम
crowd
पिच
पे,
पे,
yes.
बहुत बहुत समय के बाद वो एक जिंक्स तोड़ा उन्होंने, और एक मोमेंटम क्रिएट हुआ है. तो लेट्स होप RCB will make the qualifiers, but then later we'll have to see how they manage to tackle the top three, other three.
But one more point is Patidar is leading well, but personally he is
Brilliant.
not getting those because
Runs.
he has to perform
Absolutely.
somewhere. क्योंकि
I
बिना
mentioned that
परफॉर्मेंस तो
yesterday.
ये लीडरशिप रहेगी नहीं ना. फिर
Yes,
नेक्स्ट ईयर क्या
yes.
करेंगे?
Yeah. No, and crucial match is, no, see, that's where those 15 runs went. No, आज वो 205 के 220 क्यों नहीं हुआ? Whereas people like
Ah,
Patidar didn't play. Had a Patidar played, the 205 would have been 225, 230. He didn't
Yeah.
play, therefore it got stuck to 205. So, and that can be the difference between victory and defeat. If the opposite team is strong and plays well, RCB might as well have lost yesterday because they were 15 runs short. So Patidar has to think about that. He has to worry about it because he's going to be playing the tougher teams now going forward.
correct, correct, correct.
So I think from yesterday's match, both the teams have to learn to get back, and RCB will have to work really harder if they want to not just qualify for playoffs, but also come
So just
final
a
three.
lighter note, Ritvi, before we end, RCB used to be the royal chokers of Bangalore. Now they have become the royal challengers in the true sense. RR has become the RRC, the Rajasthan Royal Chokers. So I think that C that was in RCB is now really truly challenger and not
Challenges.
choker. And RR में जो C silent था
वो
वो
आ
pop
गया
up
है.
करके आ गया है वो RRC हो गया है.
Well, good luck for the matches to both RCB and RR. Let's see what happens, and we'll meet you in next episode to review today's match between SRH and CSK, the bottom two. Thank you.